Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and demo import Elon, charity multi-purpose non-profit WordPress theme that supports Elementor and Give plugin. So first go to your WordPress dashboard, click appearance, then click themes. Click add new theme, click upload theme. Now click choose file and locate the Elon unzipped package. So here you can see the unzipped Elon package. Once you open the package, you will see there are so many files. You have to install the Elon main theme. So click that, click open and click install now. Now click activate. Okay, now the theme is successfully installed and activated. Now it will ask you to install, begin the installing required plugins. So click this one, begin installing plugins. So let's close this. Okay, these are the plugins, those are required. So you can select as bulk and the bulk action, click install, then click apply. So it will install all the plugins one by one. Okay, once the installation is done, click return to dashboard. So close this Elementor setup. Let's import the demo data. For that, go to appearance, click this import demos. So this is the demo install package. You can preview this or you can click this arrow. Okay, let's click import. Click yes. Wait, start to backup your site. Now click yes to import the package. Okay, it's starting to import the package. It will take around 5 minutes depend on your internet speed and the hosting site. So let's wait for that. Okay, after a couple of minutes it will show the import package is successful. So let's click the go home. Wow, you can see all the demo contents have been imported. So there are many home pages you can select for charity NGO, church, events. So there are more than 39 plus home pages. You can select your preferred one. Also, you can edit the page using this edit with Elementor. And you go once if you want to select a particular home page, go back to your dashboard, click update WordPress database, click continue and go to appearance and click menus. Go down in the menu, you have to select the primary menu. So select a menu to edit. So here you have to select the mega menu or primary menu, then select. Okay, here you can see there are so many home pages available. So you can delete unnecessary home pages by clicking this arrow mark. You can see you can remove unnecessary one and you can drag and drop the required home page. If you are selecting this home basket, you can drag and drop here and you can delete other unnecessary home pages. Similarly, you can remove other pages, unnecessary pages. Also you want to set up the donations or donate now items or your projects. You can see this is the Give plugin. Here you can create all kind of forms, all kind of categories. So here you can create all kind of forms, available forms, add forms and donation categories and also the payment gateways. So those kind of things we will create another video tutorial on customization. So please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you.